Hi, my name is Jacob Bustillos, and this video is for the Rexford Family History Center patrons as a visual guide in how to convert their media into digital format. The media we're going to talk about today is about the VHS cassette tape player. Now, before we begin, you'll want to make sure that everything is set up. It should already be set up for you, but just in case, your power button is right here and you'll want to make sure that power turns on. Another thing is, in order for it to convert and connect to the computer, there is an audio cable that goes from the out portion here to a USB adapter converter, which allows it to connect to the computer. Now, usually nobody really plays around with this, but if you come across any issues, just be sure to check your cables just to make sure everything's plugged in snugly and you'll be ready to go. When you come right here to your player, you have your left and your right. I typically put my cassette tapes on the left side, and I would recommend, once you opening it, usually your cassette tapes will have a side A or side B, or side 1 or side 2. You want to place side A facing towards you. So once you push side A in, you close it, and then I would recommend doing fast forward and rewind of the tape. Now, because I don't have a tape with me right now, it's not going to go do that. But I would recommend doing that as if, because if the tape hasn't been played for some time, then it will actually allow it to prep itself to get going. Once you've got it rewinded and ready to go, you have your play button, your stop button, your input level, and your pitch control. Now, your input level will adjust your volume settings on the device, and your pitch control will actually depend how clear and essentially the pitch of the audio. So once you have a setting, I would recommend to do small little snippets on the software program. So just record maybe about 20-30 seconds and test to see if you need to adjust these settings as needed. Sometimes the settings are right there, but sometimes they get adjusted, so find the one that suits your needs, and then once you've got that established, rewind, push play, and start the recording all through that. And if you need to, here is a folder with all the information needed for that to do so. Or you can also check on the videos that will show you how to use the software